Traxtion. I'm here at the Rail Services Hub, Traxtion's Roslyn facility, and it happens to be their 35th birthday, and I'm here with James Holley. Congratulations, well done.
You know, it is a little bit of a time of reflection, these sort of moments, but good. I think all around good. It's business is in a good space at the moment. You know, rail reform starting to take hold in Africa, which is giving us more opportunities to run trains, and the investment into the mining industry in particular has meant there's more demand for our trains. So this workshop facility has really taken hold. We've got more and more third-party work coming in here. So we're busy here, we're busy out there. We don't have any more locomotives we could deploy. We're trying to find more capacity, so it's good.
The paint shop is finally done.
Yes, so our latest investment into Roslyn is the paint shop, and it is done. So I think we've had 3 locomotives, 3 there already.
There's some exciting things in the pipeline. What can you share with me?
I think, you know, at the moment we're trying to grow our capacity. We're trying to get in more locomotives and wagons into service. And so we're looking at opportunities where we can grow our train capacity at the moment. We've certainly got the balance sheet space right now to do some more investments. But then we're also investing hugely into technology at the moment.
So talking about technology, a couple of weeks ago I ran an article on hydrogen, and I'm very excited about hydrogen. What are your thoughts?
So we have been awarded as part of a partnership with Hyphen Technical, CMB, TransNamib and the University of Namibia, a project grant funded to convert 2 locomotives to hydrogen, to being hydrogen powered. It's a dual fuel solution utilizing ABC's B-Hydro engine, and we are the implementing partner in that project. Hyphen Technical and CMB doing the R&D, and then we're the implementing partner. We're providing 1 locomotive for the conversion, TransNamib is providing the other, and then we've got training and other investment R&D support from UNAM. So really, really exciting project.
I think the view is that hydrogen has a place in Africa. I think the view is, or from my perspective, certainly that we can actually turn hydrogen into an industry that would make us money, much like the mining sector, and I've said that before. What are your views in terms of the future and the role that Traxtion can play in it?
So look, firstly, what the Namibian government is doing with hydrogen and the production of hydrogen in Namibia is absolutely groundbreaking. And their hydrogen strategy, I really think, has the potential to turn Namibia into like a sort of Luxembourg of Africa type country. Because of the size of investments that are going to go into this hydrogen production there. You know, just the Hyphen project there is a sort of circa 12 billion euro project. And that's a massive foreign direct investment into any country. But that's one of many projects in Namibia. If you look at South Africa, in the Northern Cape, it's also an outstanding place to produce hydrogen, and Sasol is looking at it, and AMSA is, of course, doing the green steel project in partnership with Sasol, the Boegoebaai port and rail opportunity as the hub for the export of hydrogen and green ammonia. Incredible opportunities from there. Out of firstly on the production side of hydrogen. So I think that's an incredibly exciting opportunity. And, you know, having gone to Intertrans now, if you looked, the last time I was in Intertrans was 6 years ago. They obviously didn't have it 2 years ago, but 6 years ago it was like the world was in that direction. And now when you go to Intertrans now, it's like the world's going in that direction. And every single stand had a big H2 on the stand. Yes. And it was all about hydrogen fuel cells. And it's clear, like, you know, from what I could see, is that there are clear solutions for light rail, but the freight rail solution is coming. Yes. Yeah, that's still the world needs to work out what is its green freight rail solution.
Yes.
And I think, you know, with our ability to produce hydrogen in the region cheaply and cost effectively is going to mean that there's a great future for hydrogen in trains in Africa. And hydrogen combustion, to my mind, must be the way that freight's going to go. It's obviously very light, so you need a fuel tender. But you know, the LNG solutions that Progress Rail has in the States work wonderfully, and I think it can translate into something similar here, where, you know, as the world gets more and more refined in its hydrogen combustion technology. It also doesn't mean a fundamental redesign of existing kit. The conversion of diesel combustion to LNG to hydrogen, it's something that's really within the realms of possibility.